Halo guys, di video kali ini kita akan bercerita tentang bagaimana seorang turis asing yang katanya menemukan wajah sejati Islam selama berada di Indonesia guys. Yang mungkin awalnya diperkirakan Islam ini sangat berbahaya dan kejam, itu mungkin pendapat awal. Tapi setelah mereka datang ke Indonesia atau bule asing datang ke Indonesia, bule ini menemukan wajah sesungguhnya Islam di Indonesia. Bahkan bule ini kagum dan sadar bahwa Islam sesungguhnya sangat cinta damai dan saling tolong-menolong. Oke guys, gimana videonya? Yuk kita saksikan. Let's go.
Moment when you experienced true and pure grace and you knew it.
I was in Indonesia. I was going through my horrible divorce. I was 31. I was in a terrible depression. I took myself to this tiny little island and decided I needed to spend 10 days in silence to try to have a truth and reconciliation hearing with myself because I was so full of shame and pain. I decided I wouldn't speak, not a word, for 10 days, and I didn't know anybody. I went and got a hut on a beach in this tiny little very poor fishing island off of Lombok in Indonesia. And I got terribly, terribly sick with food poisoning. And my plan was to walk around the island every day because it was a tiny little island. And there was this one woman, this Muslim woman. I mean, when I say this island was poor, I mean what these people fished that day is what they ate for dinner that night. You know, and this one woman on the other side of this island used to see me walking, and she would put her hand on her heart and smile at me when I walked by, and I would do the same to her. And then I got really sick, and I was stuck in my cabin, dehydrated, terrified. I actually thought I had malaria, you know, and far away from anyone who knew me. And this woman came and found me. Something in her knew that I wasn't well. She'd seen me, and she knew I wasn't doing well anyway. But when she didn't see me on my daily walk, she came and knocked on my door and saw the condition that I was in and went like this and came back an hour later with fresh food and fresh water for me. And I just started crying in her arms, and she held me in her arms like I was her child and just rocked me and took care of me.
Did you even know her name?
Didn't know her name, still don't. And by the way, she is my face of Islam. Whenever, you know, whatever conversation in the world is ever happening about Islam, she is my face of Islam. That woman who went across an island, knocked on every door in this little row of cabins till she found the person who she knew was suffering and came and took care of me.
Oh my God.
That was the most grace I have ever received in my entire life because she had no relationship with me whatsoever, owed me nothing. This is truly God working through somebody's kindness.
Nah ini guys, mungkin bisa dikatakan pengalaman spiritual bagi seorang bule ini. Karena selama berada di Pulau Lombok nih ceritanya guys, beliau menemukan wajah asli tentang Islam yang sangat tergugah hatinya sampai ditolong oleh seorang ibu. Bahkan dia nggak mengenal sosok seorang ibu tersebut guys. Dan mungkin orang ini sudah menganggap sebagai keluarganya mungkin bakal guys.
Sejak putrinya memeluk Islam 14 tahun yang lalu, ibu non-muslim warga Inggris ini menjadi suka menonton ceramah pendakwah asal Zimbabwe Mufti Menk. Namun, beliau tak pernah menyangka pendakwah itu suatu saat akan hadir di rumahnya.
People like him, the way he tells whatever he's telling, it would attract a lot of people. I would think it definitely does me. I would listen to him. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Amazing. Nice to see you.
Oh, oh my God!
Oh my God!
I don't know how fanatic you are, but this is some chocolate.
Oh, is it really you?
Masya Allah guys, jadi di video ini diceritakan bahwa seorang ibu ini memiliki anak yang udah mualaf gitu guys. Tapi karena ibu ini sering ngelihat pendakwah yang dari Zimbabwe mungkin ya guys ya. Jadi ibu ini sangat tergugah sekali hatinya. Bahkan dia sampai kepengen sekali bertemu dengan pendakwah itu. Di sini kita melihat bagaimana kisah-kisah romantis sedih mungkin guys di dalam video ini.
Oh my God! Thank you so much.
Subhanallah, anywhere you go in Lombok, you hear this sound. والسلام علينا ini bahagia mendengar suara menggema di Lombok, fakta di baliknya bikin lebih terharu. Salah satu netizen memberikan fakta bahwa Mas Bule dan teman-temannya menyumbangkan mainan untuk anak-anak di salah satu pondok pesantren di Lombok Tengah.
Sampai
Mainan yang
menyumbangkan
disumbangkan
mainan, guys.
termasuk sepeda dan
Sakit juga
berbagai
ya.
mainan lainnya. Masya Allah, brother. Saat
Masya Allah,
hatinya
brother.
bergetar oleh gema suara tarhim di Lombok, mereka pun tergerak untuk memberikan kebaikan di sana.
Ini momen bule yang saat bergetar hatinya guys mendengar selawat tahrim selama di Lombok. Bahkan dia saling berbagi itu selama berada di Lombok.
يا رسول الله يا حبيبي يا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم الصلاة والسلام عليك.
A chill day at the mosque. It is hot and hectic outside, and these men relaxing here inspired me to take a nap too. I really love this mosque. You can just chill, relax, even lie down, sleep if you want. And look at
Bahkan
this
berbaring
gorgeous
tidur.
view. Where else do you get that when you lie down? I'm in Masjid Kauman in Yogyakarta, one of the most iconic mosques
Masjid
in Indonesia.
Yogyakarta.
When I opened my eyes, to my surprise, there was plenty of food everywhere. It's Ramadan and the mosque is organizing a community breakfast, a bukbur as we say here. And even though I was a stranger, I am so touched they welcomed me to share the meal for free. When prayer time came, the historic mosque was filled with devotion. And when the night fell, the community gathered to read the Quran in peace. Who would have guessed I'd have such an amazing day chilling at the mosque? No need for a hotel, a restaurant, or any entertainment spot, and all for free. Can you believe this blessing?
Nah guys, di video ini kita belajar atau mendapatkan hikmahnya bahwa Islam itu sebenarnya indah loh guys. Tidak seburuk yang dibayangkan orang-orang luar sana lah guys. Pokoknya kesimpulannya guys, berbanggalah kita jadi Indonesia dan berbanggalah kita beragama Islam, khususnya agama Islam dan agama-agama lain semuanya baik guys. Oke lah guys, itulah videonya. Terima kasih guys.